Let's look at how you can adapt Pipeliner CRM to your business. Go to Administration. Administration is only accessible by those with manager rights. Go to Fields and Forms. Here you can set up what your accounts, contacts, leads and opportunities will look like. Just hit Edit Form. In Accounts, you may want to, for example, remove forms that are unnecessary for you, like fax, or maybe you just need 2 email forms instead of 5. Now hit Create New Field to add the ones that fit your organization better. Here you pick what field you want to have. Regular text fields for notes are also available, as are web URLs too. So let's say you want your account to have a drop-down. I'll call it Employees, and add 3 options. Fill the 5, 6 to 20, or 21 plus ranges, and then hit Save. Find your field by name and just drag and drop it to where you want to have it. And if you like, you can make the field required, but I'll just hit Save. So basically, you can use these elements to organize your forms. It's so simple and so easy to do. Now, the same thing can be done within contact and lead forms. Within an opportunity form, you can set up both an opportunity and an opportunity loss form, the latter being displayed when your reps lose an opportunity. In opportunity, you can also set up custom sales actions that can be set as required. In other words, as a manager, you can decide that there is some mandatory information that a salesperson needs to get from a prospect before they can move the opportunity forward to the next stage. For example, has the prospect confirmed that budget is available? Having required actions really avoids salespeople assuming or guessing and keeps the opportunity in the right stage of the process. Once you are satisfied with your changes, just hit Publish Changes. Then close the administration window. And when done, I can open any account and here is my employees drop-down.
Additional learning resources can be found in our knowledge base and on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@pipelinersales.com. Please make sure you share this video with everyone in your organization who uses Pipeliner CRM so we can help them succeed too. We welcome your feedback and suggestions for adding to or improving our Academy resources. Please email academy@pipelinersales.com with any suggestions.